Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use pipes on Linux. So first of all we need to go into terminal, so I will go into show apps and press on terminal. And from the beginning, what are pipes? Pipes basically means that sign on the keyboard is a sign between a backspace and the enter letters on our keyboard. And how to use it? We basically are using it like this. So we will type in command 1 and for example command 2 and for example command 3. And what that basically means? Pipes basically allows you to send the output of one command directly as an input to the another command. So when we will type in the first command, the output of that first command becomes an input for that second command, and so on. So the output of the second command becomes an input of the third command. That's basically how it works. Maybe that might be hard to understand at the beginning, but I will show you that right now. So for example, we have the list command. List command displays the folders, files and other things from the directory that we are in basically. And if we will use the list command, use the pipe, and for example we will use wc command -l, that basically means wc command -l. I recorded a video about this command, but basically it is used to count lines. So for example we have here 3, 6, 9, 10 I think 10 or maybe 11. We have 10 or 11 lines. So basically list command displays all folders, and this folders becomes an input to this command. So this command will basically count the lines. So if I will press enter, as you can see we have 10. So we have the number of this folder in our home directory. If we will for example move to the etc, should work fine. As you can see we have a lot of things right there. We used L as a list command, and again we can count lines by add a pipe sign. So for example wc -l, as you can see we have 232 lines right there. So that's really useful if we want to for example count something. We can maybe go back again to our home directory. I will clear that, and now I will show you maybe with processes. As you can see we have a lot of processes right there, and for example we want to see only processes with the, maybe I will open our browser in order to have processes from the Firefox, and we will only display the Firefox processes. So right there we have something like this, and maybe I will clear that, and right there I will again type in like this, and as you can see we have Firefox processes. How to display only them? We can do it like this. So like this, and add pipe and type in grep and Firefox. So that means we displayed all processes, and we will now from this all processes only show the processes that have a Firefox in the name. So for example this and so on. So I will press enter, and as you can see we have all processes, but it don't really look nice because it is too long, so it doesn't fit in this small canvas. So we can for example count these processes. So again I will count lines, so I will use something like this, and right now I will add the count lines. So again wc -l, and as you can see we have 12 processes that contains Firefox in its name. But if we for example count all processes from our system, we have 262 processes. and we can do it basically with whatever we want. For example, I think we should have an SSH, I guess, but maybe no, but we should have some processes with SSH. So grep SSH. Yes, we have 2 processes. Our SSH is not installed, I guess, but we can, for example, with SSH, if our SSH would be installed, we would have a lot of more processes with SSH, but again, we can do it like this, and for example, we can count lines. We have 2 processes, we can type, for example, characters. We have 213 characters. For example, we can count all characters from our all processes, so that means we will have almost 30,000 of characters in all processes in our system. So that's basically all. I think you should understand how to use pipes and how to you can basically combine comments and use output of one to input of the another. So it will be all. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.